We're going to explain how to resolve the no module named pandas.core.indexes.numeric error in Streamlit. This error usually pops up because your Streamlit app is trying to use a part of the pandas library that's been reorganized or removed in a newer pandas version. Here's how to fix it. 1. Check your pandas version. The most common cause is an incompatibility between your pandas version and the code you're running. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip show pandas. This will display the installed pandas version. If it's very old, like significantly older than version 1.0, you'll definitely need to update. 2. Update pandas. If your pandas version is outdated, updating it is the simplest solution. In your terminal, run pip install, upgrade pandas. This command will fetch the latest stable version of pandas and install it, replacing your old version. After updating, restart your Streamlit app. 3. Check your code for outdated syntax. Even with a recent pandas version, the error might persist if your code uses functions or methods that no longer exist in pandas.core.indexes.numeric. Older code might rely on functions that have been moved or removed in newer pandas releases. For example, some older code might directly access functions within pandas.core.indexes.numeric. Modern pandas often handles these operations more efficiently and directly through the main pandas data frame or series objects. Carefully review your code for any direct references to pandas.core.indexes.numeric. If you find any, you'll need to refactor that part of your code to use the current, updated pandas methods. Look for places where you might be trying to directly manipulate index objects and see if there are equivalent, more modern functions that work on the entire data frame or series instead. 4. Create a new virtual environment. Recommended. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies. Creating a new one ensures that your Streamlit app uses the correct pandas version without interfering with other projects. To create one using venv, Python 3.3+, navigate to your project directory in the terminal and run python3 mvenv.venv. Replace .venv with your desired environment name. Activate the environment, e.g. .venv scripts activate on Windows or source.venv/bin activate on Mac OS Linux. Then install pandas inside the virtual environment using pip install pandas. This is generally best practice for managing dependencies and avoiding conflicts. 5. Examine your imports. Make sure you're importing pandas correctly. The standard import is import pandas as PD. If you're trying to import something specifically from pandas.core.indexes.numeric, you're likely using outdated code and need to rewrite the relevant section. Never directly import anything from this module anymore. Use the top-level pandas objects and methods. 6. Restart your kernel/Streamlit server. After making any changes to your code or environment, always restart your Streamlit server to ensure the changes take effect. This step is crucial as it refreshes the interpreter and loads the updated libraries. If you followed these steps and the error persists, double-check that you're using the correct pandas version, that you haven't accidentally altered your Python installation, and consider providing more details about your code and environment for more targeted troubleshooting. Remember to always consult the official pandas documentation for the most up-to-date information on functions and best practices.